key to a longer, healthier life was as simple as choosing the right fruits every day. Science shows that diet plays a pivotal role in aging, but not all foods are created equal. Some fruits contain powerful compounds that protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and keep your body resilient well into your later years. As a doctor with 30 years of experience, I've seen firsthand how small dietary changes can make a profound impact on health. Today, I'll reveal 5 must-eat fruits for seniors that promote longevity, enhance vitality, and may even increase your chances of living to 100. Stick around, because the last fruit on this list is a true game changer. There's a reason blueberries are often called brain berries. These small, deep blue fruits are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which combat inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major culprits behind cognitive decline. Research consistently shows that seniors who consume blueberries regularly perform better on memory tests and have a lower risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. I've seen patients in their late 70s regain mental clarity and focus simply by making blueberries a staple in their diet. Whether added to oatmeal, blended into smoothies, or eaten as a snack, consistency is key. A sharper mind means more independence, better decision-making, and a more fulfilling life. If I could prescribe one fruit for heart health, it would be the avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium, avocados help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and keep blood pressure in check. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death in older adults, but diet can make a difference. I once had a patient in his 70s struggling with high blood pressure despite medication. After swapping processed snacks for avocados, his numbers improved significantly within months. A strong heart means better circulation, more energy, and a reduced risk of stroke or heart attack. Pomegranates have been revered for centuries for their longevity-enhancing properties, and modern science backs this up. The polyphenols in pomegranates improve circulation, reduce artery stiffness, and even support brain function by enhancing blood flow. I had an 80-year-old patient who suffered from joint stiffness and fatigue. After adding fresh pomegranate juice to her diet, she noticed remarkable improvements in mobility and energy levels. Whether you enjoy the seeds, drink the juice, or sprinkle them over salads, pomegranates are a must for healthy aging. As we age, digestion slows, and nutrient absorption becomes less efficient. Papayas are rich in fiber and papain, a natural enzyme that aids digestion and reduces bloating. They're also loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. I recall a patient in her mid-70s who had struggled with digestive discomfort for years. After incorporating papayas into her diet, her digestion improved and she felt more energetic. A well-functioning gut means better nutrient absorption, reduced inflammation, and a stronger immune defense against illness. They say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and there's truth to that. Apples contain fiber, particularly pectin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. As we age, insulin resistance becomes more common, increasing the risk of diabetes. Apples help combat this by slowing digestion and preventing blood sugar spikes. One of my patients, an 82-year-old man with joint pain and fatigue, started eating an apple every day. Within a few months, he reported feeling more mobile, energetic, and overall healthier. Apples are easy to incorporate. Enjoy them whole, sliced with peanut butter, or added to salads. Longevity isn't about chasing a miracle cure. It's about forming daily habits that support long-term health. The most successful centenarians don't rely on supplements or fad diets. They eat nutrient-dense foods like these 5 fruits consistently. If you're looking to stay sharp, strong, and independent as you age, start with small, sustainable changes. Add blueberries to breakfast, swap out processed snacks for avocados, or enjoy a crisp apple in the afternoon. Every bite counts, and the sooner you start, the better the results. If you found this video valuable, let us know in the comments which fruit you'll be adding to your routine. And don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Here's to a longer, healthier life, one fruit at a time.